Hello, we want to know the value of x here. Root x plus root s equals x. So what's the value of x? So now from here you can see that the left hand side, they are the same. This and this, they are repeated, terms. So we are going to add this and this together. Okay, this is like 1 mango plus 1 mango. This will be 2 multiplied by root x, that is 2 mangoes, equals x. So now from here, whenever we have this, because the x we are looking for, and x is found under the radical sign, so whatever or whenever you have this, you'll find means of getting rid of this sign. So now to get rid of the sign, we're going to square the both sides. Okay, square. Now this square will affect the 2. We have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by root what? Root x. Then we take this power 2. Then we have what? X to the power of 2. Alright, so from there, 2 raised to power 2, this will give us 4. And this we do with this. 4 times x equals all square. Now, I know some people will do like this. Divided by 4 or divided by x. Divided by x. So that this we cancel this and we said s cancel this. We are now going to have x equals 4. So that is wrong. Please don't do that. If you do that, you shorten the solution, right? So this is what you are going to do. Okay, let me show you what you are going to do. So we're going to have this one is going to be 4. This has been cancelled. We have 4x equals x squared. So this implies that we can write this as having x squared, right? Taking this to this side, we have minus 4x, so that the 2 times will be on one side, then equals 0. So now we can see we have x. We can have x multiplied by x minus 4 multiplied by x equals 0. So now from here you can see x is common, x is common. So we try to factorize x out. X into bracket x minus 4 then equals 0. So now from here, this is 0 form equation. This is either x equals 0 or we have x minus 4 equals 0. So now here x equals 0, and transposing minus 4 to the other side, we're going to have x to be positive 4. So we have there x1 and we have x2, right? So those are the solution, right? So we have the solution, x equals 0 and x equals 4, right? So we can actually check. If we check, we have root x plus root x, right? Is it going to give us x? So now if x is 0, we put 0 here. 0 plus 0 equals 0. So if x is 4, we can see that root 4 plus root of 4 equals 4. So root 4 is 2 plus root 4 is 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2, we have 4 equals 4, right? So which tells us that we have what? We have x equals this confirmed, this confirmed, right? Thank you so much. Kindly share this to your colleagues. Hit on the bell icon if you have not done that before. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.